I will ask you now to place your hilts in their saddles and carefully step away from your stations against the wall. Please stay in that location until I can recall you forward once more. Now, we the gatherers are not force sensitive. We cannot harness the power of the force. So in order to safely stabilize the crystals, we must use our technology and place your lightsaber hilt into the crystal stabilization chambers. As you know, kyber crystals have a very powerful energy field, and they must be stabilized. So, what I will do is I will send a signal through the system. If everything works well, that will indicate.
Well done. Chosen not much with skill you have, chosen with heart. When joined they are, much more they will become. For you, it is time.
Whoa. Master Yoda. Yes. It is indeed time. We are at the final stage. The bond between Builder and Saber is about to be forged. In a few moments, I will ask the builders to move forward. Then, I will ask you to place your hands on your hilts. And on my command and in tradition, you will activate as one. Builders, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Please move forward. Place your hand on your hilt and activate. Builders, please raise your lightsabers high.
I'm sorry.
You have built a lightsaber like the Jedi, the Sith that came before you. And like that, you can change the gods. Remember, it only takes a spark. Well done. Now please, deactivate your lightsaber.
Your lightsabers. Light your path, is choose your path. Only you can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, to protect you, the lightsaber, we're pleased to present you with the saber sheath. And where we see that symbol, our symbol, may remind you of the knowledge we passed on to you today. Because our time here is at an end. The journey has just beginning. It's time for you to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are just as unique and extraordinary as the lightsaber you have built. So one last time, please raise your lightsabers and activate. Yeah! Kill the spire!
Kill the spire!
Well done, everyone. Please take this moment to select the follow. Select through those doors and collect your saber sheath from Jess. Right this way, everyone.